Bitsy love.
Middle school science teacher. ScoreMyTeacher.com says he's a hawk when it comes to grading. Never does anything.
Yeah, Bitsy love.
Move to strike, Your Honor. Juror number one, you're dismissed.
Yes.
Lives off the grid. Now this is where tech disasters get tricky. No social media profiles, not even email.
I like the look. Old school. I can smell the patchouli from here.
We access postal archives. She exchanges letters where they translate out to Aurora. Signs her name as her spirit animal. I can't imagine trying to
Yeah.
buy a ship that size 100 years ago. The captain was only human.
My goodness, was that a cranky burst? Was that a cranky burst?
The ship was poorly engineered. If I had to blame one thing, it'd be the iceberg. There's an outside the box thinker.
Yeah.
His instinct isn't to blame Jimmy.
Yeah.
That look of quiet desperation means you couldn't decrypt it. But this look of excitement says I found someone who can. An encryption specialist named
Oh!
Hackers never have names like Parasol or Tulip.
Well, hackers tend to pick names that reflect their personality.
This one's Cancer.